Kelly from Kelly Lee Creates. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to import brushes into Procreate. I'll be showing you how to import a single brush and how to also import multiple brushes that are grouped into a zip file. Now Procreate comes with a bunch of basic brushes, free brushes under the sketching and the inking, calligraphy, and these are great brushes to use. I use these a lot, but sometimes, you just want something a little bit different, and there are lots and lots of designers out there who create amazing brushes. So today for this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you some brushes from a designer called Holly Pixels, and it's her Colorado brush pack. So I'm going to be leaving the link to this pack in the description if you'd like to pick it up. So I'm going to be showing you how to import one brush at a time, and then also a bunch of brushes that are grouped into a zip file. How to import all of those at once. So the brush that I'm going to be doing the first example with is this Durango brush, and this is the free brush that she offers to her email subscribers. And then the rest of these brushes I'm going to be importing all at once in one fell swoop. Okay, so to get started, you're going to go into, you open a document and then go into your brush library. And well, first of all, I'm going to assume that you know how to download brushes from designers. I'm not going to go over that in this video. I'll save that maybe for another video. But first step is to download the brushes from the designer and save it to your iPad. Once you've done that, then you come up into your brush library and hit this plus button right here. And you have the option to, you have plus button. Okay, so then you have the option to import a brush. So you click import, and then over here you can browse to where you saved your the file. If it's one brush, I usually save it on my iPad under Procreate, and it's right here. I saved it already, called Durango. So I'm just going to click on it, and it's going to automatically open up in Procreate. And you can see right here it's untitled. And so if we just go back, it's going to be every brush that you import one at a time. It's going to be down here in the imported folder. It's at the bottom of your brush library, and you can see right here Durango. It's right at the top. Now, if I were to have been, if I were to have, another library selected, like say I was selected on like calligraphy right here. If I go and do the same thing but have the calligraphy folder selected, then it's going to import right into the calligraphy folder. So you see right here, it's at the top of the calligraphy folder. So if you mess up and you put it in the wrong folder, all you need to do is swipe and delete, like that. So if you wanted to create a new folder for these brushes, a special folder, you would just come, if you swipe down underneath this brush library, you can click on this plus sign and you can create a new folder. I'm not going to do that right now because I already have all my folders set up. And then if you have that folder selected and you go to import the brush, then that brush will go into that folder. Okay, so that was how to do one brush. And then you can just delete that like so. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to get all these other brushes into Procreate all at once. So these brushes, Vail, Telluride, Colorado Mono, Loveland, hence all cities in Colorado, because I think that's where she lives. When you download these, they come as a zip file. So you're going to need an unzipping tool, just like you would on a desktop. So I use this zip tool free right here. And so after I download the brush and unzip it using this zip tool free app, I just come into the app and I navigate to the brush, which is right down here. And this may be different for depending on what app that you use, but they're all pretty similar. So the brush that I want is right here. And I'm just gonna click this little share button right here. And then you're gonna get a pop-up and I'm gonna click open in, and then open in Procreate. And you can see it's added a second Colorado 4.2 library at the top of my brush library. This is the one that I already had in there. And then you can see that another one was just added because I imported them all at once. And since I don't need both, I'm just gonna click and delete that set. Now, another way that you can do it is if you come into your Files app down here, and on my iPad zip tool, you can also access your files this way. So all the folders are the unzipped files, and all the ones that say zipped are obviously zipped. So that is 2 ways to import brushes into Procreate. Now what I wanted to do was show you these brushes, and like I said, I'll leave a link at the bottom or in the description. So this is her Colorado pack, and right here it comes with 3, 6, 9, 10 brushes. And this first one is the free brush. This is the Durango. I don't think this comes in the Colorado pack, but you can get that for free if you subscribe to her emails. So I'm just gonna go down the list and tell you what each one is here, if you can see this. So this one is Veil, and it's really cool, dotted line. This one, Telluride, I can't really say that very well. It's got like a rough edge, kind of a marker look. This is your Colorado monoline brush, basic monoline. I like this, for cut files, for hand lettering. It's really smooth. This one is Loveland, and it's a little bit streaky. This one is Frisco. It's got like a chalky texture. Estes Park it's got a shadow, a little light shadow. I'm not sure if you can see it very well on the screen. Let's see, this one is, which one is this? What one are we on here? Colorado Mono, Loveland, Frisco, Estes Park, Denver. Denver's really cool because it has like a double line. This is her Colorado brush. Pretty standard hand lettering brush right there. Boulder has a little bit of streakiness to it with sort of a double line, kind of like that, but a little bit more streaky. And this is her Aspen one. Looks like, I'd say like a marker almost. So those are her brushes. Like I said, I'll leave a link to all these in the description. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and you can find more tutorials on my blog at kellyleecreates.com. You can also find me on Instagram at kellylcreates, where I share my hand lettering. Thanks for watching.